Layering is one of the most misunderstood words in decorating. Most people hear layer and they think more pillows, more objects, more texture, more little styling moments. And that's exactly how a calm room starts to feel busy. Real layering is not about adding more, it's about the right differences in the right order. That order matters because a layered room should feel fuller, richer, and more intentional without feeling cluttered. If the room gets more crowded, but not more coherent, it's not layered, it's just loaded. And the first rule is functions before decoration. Accessories are easy to add. A tray, a vase, a pillow, a small lamp. But if the room has not been given a clear base first, those pieces become visual noise. They are trying to solve a structural problem from the surface. Before adding decor, ask what the room needs to do. Does it need softness, light, weight, rhythm, maybe a place for the eyes to pause? Layering works best when the first layer solves a real problem. The first move is just one soft base. Every calm room needs one layer that lowers the visual temperature. That's usually a textile layer, like a linen curtain, a wool rug, a washed cotton bedding, a soft upholstered chair, a throne with enough texture to be seen across the room. The soft base is what makes the room feel livable before it feels styled. It gives the room excel. The softness alone is not enough. When every major surface is equally pale, equally smooth, equally quiet, the room does not feel layered, it feels blurred. So the second move is one tactile difference. That is where the eye starts to feel the room and not just see it. A washed linen throw, a woven shade, a knobby wool ottoman, a rough handmade ceramic. You don't need 5 texture statements. You need one or two clear interruptions that change the surface conversation. The third move is one grounding darker note. This is the part that most people skip because they are afraid of ruining the coat. But a layered room needs one lower note. Walnut, bronze, darkened wood, smoked ceramic, a deeper frame, not to make the room dramatic, but to give the softer layers gravity. Without that darker note, a room can feel like it's floating. The fourth move is repetition. Layering needs rhythm, or it starts to feel random. Every new object introduces a new material, color, shape, or finish. The room becomes difficult to read. The fix is not matching, it's echoing. Repeat one material in 3 quiet places: a walnut frame, a walnut side table, a walnut tray, a paper lamp, paper shade, and pale artwork, a ceramic vase, a bowl, and a ceramic lamp base. This repetition gives the eye a path. It tells that the room has layers that are related. The fifth move is negative space. This is what stops layering from becoming clutter. A layered room needs areas that are quiet, a cleaner side of the console, a stretch wall that is not overworked, a coffee table with one grouped moment, not 6 scattered ones. That doesn't mean that it needs to be empty. Negative space is what actually lets the other chosen layers register. So the test is simple: one soft base, one tactile interruption, one grounding darker note, one material echo, one area of breathing room, and that's enough to make the room feel fuller without making it busy. Layering brings the order, and once that clicks, the room stops feeling decorated and it starts to feel composed. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like button to boost it, and I see you in the next one. Bye.